Hello students, today I am going to start a new chapter which is profit, loss and discount. So these terms you know in your previous classes, you study in your previous classes. So just I go through the recap of the formula and then we solve some problem based on profit, loss. Now the first thing is, what is profit? When selling price of an article is greater than cost price of the same article, then you can say the shopkeeper or the person earns a profit. Therefore, to find out the profit, you need to subtract SP minus CP. What is loss? When the selling price of an article is less than cost price of the same article. That means loss equals to cost price minus selling price. Now the next formula we are going to use is, what is profit percent? Profit percent equals to profit by CP into 100 and loss percent equals to loss by CP into 100. Now these are the formula you learned in the previous classes. Go through this formula and let's solve some problem. A fruit seller buys oranges at 4 for rupees 3. That means 4 oranges for rupees 3 and sells them at 3 for rupees 4. That means selling price of 3 oranges is 4. Find the profit percent. So cost price for 4 oranges equals to 3. Therefore cost price of 1 orange equals to rupees 3 by 4. Selling price for 3 oranges equals to rupees 4. Therefore selling price of 1 oranges equals to 4 by 3. Therefore profit equals to selling price minus cost price. So 4 by 3 minus 3 by 4. Now if you simplify, you will get the profit as 7 by 12. Therefore profit percent is equal to profit by CP into 100. So in the place of profit, I substitute 7 by 12. Cost price is 3 by 4 into 100. So 7 by 12 into 3 by 4 will become 4 by 3 into 100. 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. So you will get 700 by 9. Simplify in the or express in the mixed fraction, you will get 77, 7 by 9%. Let us check our next problem. A boy buys an old bicycle for rupees 162 and spends rupees 18 on its repair before selling the bicycle for rupees 207. Find its gain or loss as percent. So cost price of old bicycle is rupees 162. Repairing cost him rupees 18. That repairing will termed as overhead expenses. So therefore actual cost price is rupees 162 plus 18, that is equal to 180. And selling price of the bicycle is 207. Now here SP is greater than CP. Therefore you can say profit equals to SP minus CP equals to rupees 27. Therefore profit percent equals to profit 27 by CP 180 into 100. 1010 cancel. 3 6 ja, 3 9 ja, 3 3 ja, 3 2 ja, 2 5 ja 10. So you will get profit equals to 15%. Moving into the next problem, Mohit sold a TB for rupees 3600, gaining 1/6 of its selling price. Find the gain, the CP of the TB and the gain percent. Now here SP of the TB is given as 3600. Gain is equal to 1 by 6 of SP. That means 1 by 6 of 3600. So 6 1 ja 6, 6 6 ja 36, 600. So you'll get gain as 600 rupees. Now CP of the TB equals to SP minus gain, that is rupees 3600 minus 600, that is rupees 3000. So gain percent equals to rupees 600 by 3000 into 100. Gain means profit by CP into 100. 1010 20 cancel with this 20. 31 ja 32 ja 20 ja 600. So your gain percent is 20%. Last problem of the day is the selling price of a sofa set is 4 by 5 times of its CP. Find the gain or the loss as percent. Now students, see here, SP of sofa set equals to 4 by 5 times of its CP. Now let CP equals to X, therefore SP equals to 4X by 5. Therefore you can say CP is greater than SP. Therefore loss equals to CP minus SP. Now if you simplify, you will get X by 5. Therefore loss percent equals to loss by CP into 100. So you will get X by 5 into 1 by X into 100. X will get cancelled. 5 1 ja 520. So you will get loss percent equals to 20%. Thank you student for watching this.